Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the DNS on Windows 11. So if you want to change the DNS on Windows 11, then keep watching as I'll show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Start menu. Here you want to go ahead and find Settings. If you don't see Settings, just go ahead and type Settings at the top and you should see it here in the best match. Go ahead and tap on that. Now in Settings on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on Network and Internet. Now here you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Wi-Fi. So this is what you're connected to right now. However, some of you might be connected through Ethernet or a wired connection. So go ahead and click on Ethernet. For now, I'll just go ahead and choose Wi-Fi as that is what I'm connected with. Next, you want to go ahead and find your Wi-Fi name. So here, my name is Note 10_mobile hotspot. So go ahead and click on that where it says properties. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the DNS server assignment. Go ahead and click on edit. And now this pop-up will appear. As you can see, it's currently set to automatic. So it'll get an automatic DNS settings from the DHCP server. So to manually edit this DNS settings, go ahead and click on automatic and make it manual. Now here you can go ahead and choose IPv4 or IPv6. So we'll go ahead and choose IPv4. Now here you have the ability to manually insert the DNS as per your choice. So I can go ahead and enter in the DNS. And now once I'm happy with that, I'll go ahead and click on Save. And now you've successfully changed the DNS on Windows 11. So there you go guys. That is how to change your DNS on Windows 11. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.